G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend, and today I'm going to make a broccoli and cauliflower rice. Making this in the Vitamix is super quick and easy. Today I'm using the Vitamix A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line household model. And I've already got some broccoli in here. I've just put the single florets in like that. Now I've got some cauliflower. I'm just going to break that up as well. You can use a knife or just break it up with your hands. Notice I'm still using the stalk. I want to put that in there. That's packed with nutrition and it's going to be no problem for Vitamix. It's going to smash that up, not a problem at all. So just throw in about half a cauliflower here. Okay, that looks pretty good. Just want to make sure they're nice little pieces. They're going to get sucked down easily into the blade. Now I'm just going to add enough water to cover the vegetables. So this is called a wet chop. And I could also do a dry chop to make my broccoli or cauliflower rice. And basically I just want to put enough water in, so it's 2 liters, and it's just floating off the blades. You can see that there. The broccoli and cauliflower are just floating. I'm just going to lock my lid into place, make sure that's clipped in. If you don't push down firmly, the Vitamix isn't going to start. It's got a safety feature. Now the Vitamix A3500 has a pulse feature. So I just push that pulse button and I can control the speed and the consistency of the texture of the chop. So I'm going to put it on the highest speed, speed 10, and I'm going to pulse it 3 times until it's reached a lovely consistency. All right, away you go. That's how simple and easy it is. Now I'm just going to strain out that water in the sink. All right, look at that beautiful consistency. Just want to get rid of all that water there. Now look at that beautiful broccoli and cauliflower rice. Look at that perfect texture and consistency. That's exactly what I was looking for. I'm just going to drain that for a couple of minutes until it's a drier consistency. So here is my finished product. How beautiful does that look? Now you can eat this raw or you can cook it. It's entirely up to you, but that is going to go beautiful with your curry or vegetables or however you want to eat it. Definitely try this at home. Happy blending.